Understanding the phrase, deep mud. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a really interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, deep mud. Whether you've come across this phrase in a book, a movie, or in everyday conversation, understanding its meaning and usage can really help enhance your English skills. So, let's dive right in and explore what deep mud truly means. Deep mud is a compound noun phrase consisting of an adjective, deep, and a noun, mud. Deep is used to describe something that extends far down from the top or surface. On the other hand, mud refers to soft, wet, and sticky earth. So when we combine these two words, we are essentially talking about a large or intense area of mud that is significantly deep and difficult to move through. In its most literal sense, deep mud refers to an area of ground that has become extremely muddy and is hard to walk or drive through. Imagine walking in a field after a heavy rainstorm, and your boots are sinking into the ground with every step you take. That's a perfect example of being in deep mud. Apart from its literal meaning, deep mud can also be used figuratively to describe a troublesome or difficult situation. For example, if someone says, "I'm in deep mud at work," it means they are facing serious problems or challenges in their job. It conveys a sense of being stuck or overwhelmed, similar to how one might feel when physically stuck in a deep, muddy area. Now, let's look at how to use deep mud in sentences. Literal, after the storm, the hiking trail was covered in deep mud, making it nearly impossible to walk. Figurative, ever since I missed that important meeting, I've been in deep mud with my boss. Notice how in the first sentence, deep mud is used to describe a physical condition, while in the second sentence, it describes a challenging situation at work. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, deep mud. We've covered its literal meaning, its figurative use, and we've seen how it can be used in sentences. Remember, understanding these phrases can really add depth to your English comprehension and expression. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your English learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.